parentheses 7 times 2 plus 3 times 2. Now parentheses 7 times 2 will give us 14. Then we have 14 plus 3 times 2. 14 plus 3 will give us 17. Then 17 times 2 will give us 34. 34 is the wrong answer to this question because we do not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let us solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we are going to work with our parentheses, which is 7 times 2. 7 times 2 will give us 14. Then we have 14 plus 3 times 2. Now we have an addition and a multiplication. We are going to work with our multiplication first because it comes first before addition. 3 times 2 will give us 6. Then we have 14 plus 6. 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.